Working in high-voltage environments can be full of danger, even when using proper personal protective equipment. Add to that limited room to move, and you have a disaster waiting to happen. Fortunately, there is a solution. With MD9273, you can take measurements in even the most hard-to-reach places without you being in harm's way. How? MD9273 can remotely connect to the MI3155 multifunctional tester using Bluetooth. MI3155 then acts as a remote controller and can perform measurements of differential leakage current, frequency, and harmonics. All you have to do is clamp MD9273 around a wire, move away a safe distance, turn on MI3155, and let magic happen. Once all is done, save the results on MI3155 and pack up. But don't forget to put back on your visor and protective gloves when you go to retrieve your remote helper. Accidents happen when you least expect them.